Hello. Welcome to episode 12 of Getting Rich. I'm your host, Rich Checkan of Asset Strategies. Today's Wednesday, February 3rd, 2021. Folks, it's been an interesting week. We saw over the weekend and into the early part of this week the assault, if you will, by the Wall Street Bets folks trying to take on silver after turning their attentions from GameStop. And that's where I'm going to stay today because I have one indicative question from a longtime client, Paul, who said, what's the gossip about silver prices rising this weekend, possibly in connection with GameStop investors? And Paul's question is one of many, so I felt it was time to address it. The GameStop investors from Reddit and Wall Street Bets that drove up the price had a significant impact on GameStop stock. It basically took a stock with a market cap of under $3 billion to close of business last week, Friday, of $22.67 billion. They certainly had an impact. And over the weekend, there was all this chatter about moving to the silver market and making the shorts pay. The difference is that market, the silver market, in comparison to GameStop, is immense. GameStop is a lake. Silver's an ocean comparatively, with a market cap of about $1.46 trillion. I don't know that there was enough buying power there to make a significant difference in the silver price. It did have somewhat of an impact in two ways. First off, it did drive up the price. We were down around $26 an ounce for silver last week, actually $25.20. As we sit here today, it's at $26.96. We saw about $1.70 something rise in silver. The high point was on Monday intraday at about $30.51 an ounce, but it was very short-lived. In the end, silver's up about $1.70 or so from where it was this time last week. And in the words of William Shakespeare, much ado about nothing in the end. Look at the other metals prices. Gold is down about $2.60 from its spot last week. It's trading at $1836.60. Platinum is up about $19 at $1,098 this morning, and palladium is down about $76 at $23.22. So mixed bag. You've got gold and palladium inching down slightly. You've got silver up as a result of the residual of what went on with the Wall Street Bets folks. And it triggered, that second effect I mentioned, is it did trigger a bunch of interest in silver, and a lot of people came out of the woodwork and bought some, which is not a bad thing. The price has since retreated back to near where it was a week ago, but in the end, holding silver is not a bad thing. Early in a bull market, we've only seen about 75 to 85% appreciation in silver from the lows at $13.83, and typically in a bull market, we're looking about 1,000% gain over 10 years. So again, with silver, we're just getting started. That was a good bet to move into silver, even though in the short term you may not think so. You might be licking your wounds right now. I wouldn't be concerned. So again, a mixed bag. We've got silver up, platinum up slightly, and the other metals are just kind of treading water. I think a lot of the markets are just trying to take direction from the changing administration and the directives coming down and getting a feel for where the markets go. So early stages of the bull market, the mantra hasn't changed. You know there's going to be a lot of money being printed to cover a massive debt that we cannot handle. So metals are your answer. They're your solution going forward. For more commentary and information, you've got to like us. You've got to subscribe to us, and do that today. If you're not a subscriber, if you're just picking this up on the web, you want to get your subscription in place. It's free. Tomorrow we have our monthly information line newsletter come out. You don't want to miss that. We need you to ask us questions. Send us your comments, and we'll cover them here on the air for everyone to see. And don't ever forget that getting rich starts with keeping what's yours.